Welcome to the Poll Studio Manager tutorial. If your emailer isn't working, don't worry. Google recently changed how it authenticates apps. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up the emailer using your Gmail account and a Google app password. First, log in to the Gmail account you use with PSM. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose Manage your Google account. You'll be directed to your Google account dashboard. Click on Security from the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click Two-Step Verification. Follow the prompts to turn it on. Once that's enabled, scroll back down and click on App Passwords. Under Select App, click Other and enter a custom name like PSM Emailer. Then click Create. Google will generate a 16-character app password. Copy this password and save it somewhere secure. You'll need it in your PSM emailer settings. Now, log into your PSM admin panel and go to Settings. Click on Messaging and scroll down until you find the Emailer section. In the field labeled Password to use for SMTP authentication, click Change. Then paste the app password you copied from Google. Click Change, then make sure to click Save. That's it! Your emailer in Poll Studio Manager should now be working again with Gmail. Using Google's updated authentication method,